So, Riza asked the question, how does acupuncture help with fertility? So, there's a lot of studies done on it, and this is my understanding. So, like I've said before, acupuncture helps to move blood. So, if the uterus doesn't have enough blood flowing into it, then it won't be able to nurture the egg, the fertilized egg. And basically what blood does, it helps the egg as well, and the ovaries. So blood supplies oxygen, nutrients, and hormones as well that are needed within our fertility process. So acupuncture helps to provide blood into those areas like the uterus, the cervix, the fallopian tube, the ovaries, and also increase oxygen and nutrients. I'm trying to remember it. Nutrients and hormones. So then the fertility process is smoother and easier. Now, if there's not enough blood getting to those areas, what can do that? What can cause that, Dr. Scott? Well, a trauma can do it. Blows to the abdomen, blows to this, to the uterus, blows to the ovaries. Can be from surgery. Surgery can do it. So laparoscopies and cesareans can do it. Any sort of surgeries, inguinal hernias. They do surgery on that. Because actually inguinal hernias actually are scar tissue. So hernias are scar tissue. So scar tissue can reduce blood flow into those areas. The other thing is nutrition. So if you don't have the right nutrition, if you're eating garbage, then that's going to decrease the ability of blood to supply oxygen and nutrients. If you've got garbage running around in your bloodstream, especially sugar, there's a lot of sugar running around. Well, sugar does what to blood? It causes inflammation. It causes inflammation to any parts of the body. There's too much sugar in the bloodstream. So there's some causes, but also that's how acupuncture works. So basically it sends blood, and that supplies what? Not blood supplies what? Nutrients, oxygen, and hormones. So I hope that answers your question, Riza, and follow me for more biohacking tips.